What's up, you guys? Good morning and welcome back to the vlog. Today's an exciting vlog. We're gonna make the CRX shoot flames. I'm super excited about it. There's nothing cooler than a car that shoots flames. I'm gonna wait for Graham to come pick me up because my sorry ass still can't drive. I'm gonna head to the shop and we're gonna get the two-step wired with Graham, get the tuning done by Tuning by Nick, and follow along. Good morning, G. How are you?
Good.
Nothing like a camera first thing in the morning?
Yeah.
Morning, Sturgis.
Hello, guys.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm always good, thanks for asking.
That's good.
It's a beautiful morning to work on the CRX today.
It is. It's cold outside and it's nice and warm inside.
Yeah. So, that said, we got a few things to do. We're gonna get the two-step. We're gonna wire it first. We'll get Graham to do that.
Okay.
He's the wiring Honda genius.
And then who does the tuning?
Tuning by Nick, the guy that tuned the car. Yeah, so he's gonna do the tuning. So we're gonna get a two-step wired in.
That's gonna be awesome.
Toggle switch. I need you to paint this bracket right here. And we're gonna put this window seal in over here. This window seal has to go in.
What are we gonna do with that? That's kind of popping.
We're just gonna put some vinyl over it. On this side, we're gonna build a bracket of some sort to support this ECU. And there's that blower motor not working too, Sturgis.
Oh yeah, blower motor.
Yeah.
Navigation as well.
What's that?
GPS for the speedo.
Oh yeah, get the speedo working. We'll program the cluster, get all that stuff done, and get it roadworthy.
Oh yeah, I gotta wire up the cluster as well.
Yeah, so that's all gonna be done yet. Oh, Maverick's here! All right, Serbian, tell me a story of what you got going down here.
I got a mess.
I see that, and a sore back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're looking for some wires here.
Yeah.
It's like this one, vehicle speed sensor,
right,
an attack, and a coolant temp sensor, so we can hook up the race pack.
Cool, cool, cool.
Yeah.
Did you get the blower motor working?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, very good. Sturgis, I heard you making noise over here. What's going on? Tell me a story.
So I got this mess kind of figured out, and I hooked up the cluster.
You got the cluster hooked up?
Mostly, I think.
You think?
We have just this GPS sensor for the speedo.
Okay, but we need the tack hooked up, most importantly.
The tack is working, so let's try it out.
Let's give me a go. Let's see what you got. Oh yeah. You got the temp gauge going too.
And then the temp gauge is
battery going. Fuel's not hooked up yet.
Fuel, that's kind of what it is.
Cool, man. Look at that. So Sturgis, getting the fuel gauge hooked up.
Yes, sir.
Did it work when you jumpered it?
I have it on already, and it's showing at 50-some percent.
50-some?
58.
How much is in there? Did you physically look?
I think it's at half. I haven't checked yet.
Oh my.
I was going to.
Come on, we just put fuel in this a couple years ago.
Yeah, right.
Let's see here. Hold on. Hold on.
I think I filled it up once.
It's funny, it doesn't look like a big fuel gauge, but it actually is.
Yeah.
It actually is a big fuel tank, I mean, but it actually is.
That's a decent size tank.
I think it's bigger than the stock tank, if I remember right. I'd say it's about half-ish.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me
figure out if it's half. If it's gonna be at 100 is empty or 100 is full.
Well, let me ask you this: is it half full or half empty?
That is a good question.
Hold on. I think it's half. I don't know. I can see the pickup in there, the spending unit.
Maybe a little below half.
Yeah.
It's very yellow.
So, interesting enough, we can change the resistance of that sensor on the race pack.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
like
so
the program?
Yeah, in the program, yeah. So
I remember when we had the RX-8, 100 was empty and 0 was full.
yes, yes. So, okay, good stuff.
We found out that the hard way.
As always, yeah. Morning, boys. Graham.
Steve.
Good morning.
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 Good morning.
Maverick's here. Hi, Maverick.
Morning.
Morning, Maverick. Graham, why don't you walk me through this two-step anti-lag roll.
Sure, we wired up to a switch.
No.
Oh, you want to show me?
Yeah,
what
right
am I looking at? In the camera?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, we watched
Come over here.
So, we are going to switch it up to a momentary switch. But under the defroster there.
Under the defroster, right there, yeah.
It's hooked up to the brake switch input for the ECU.
Okay.
And that will be our two-step button.
Two-step button.
Two-step. We're going to shoot some fire.
Yeah, so I'm not actually using it as a race car, and I'm not using it as a two-step. I'm using it as a flamethrower.
Yes.
So I told Nick from Tuning by Nick, he asked what I want it for, and I said all of the flame.
Yes.
Yeah.
the snow.
The most important part.
Yeah, I don't want to scrape ice off my windows, so we're just going to use a flame.
Yeah, defroster.
Okay, cool. All right, so just the old battle of the window seal, eh?
Yeah, not the easiest thing.
No. But remember when we took them out like 3 years ago? They were like hard as a rock.
They're cracking.
Well, and somebody had painted that over the car previously, and there was overspray all over them.
Yes, so everything had yellow.
Yeah, the whole car was yellow and garbage. Yeah, this here, so we're gonna wrap this, I think. We'll just put some vinyl wrap, I think, on this chrome, you know?
And then we'll just peel the rest of it.
Yeah, I actually kind of started peeling over here, and it comes right off, no problem, so.
Nice.
Yeah,
This is the only chrome part on the car.
Yeah, it looks goofy.
It does.
Yeah, so, and then I got those carbon mirrors coming. Yeah, so we're getting there, right?
Getting close.
Getting close. It's the closest it's been yet.
It was summer.
Summer, well, I mean, I don't know, we're a couple months away still, but yeah. All right, sir, just let's get this thing in the air. Let's find our mystery oil leak. And,
oh yeah, there's a leak.
there's an oil leak, and then I want to show these guys the drive shaft.
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody has to see that.
And how many CRXs or Civics have drive shafts? Not very many.
No.
Not, and I definitely not built for 1,000 horsepower. So let's get her in the air.
This is lit.
So we're just what's wrong with this big steady bearing back here? You don't like?
Look at this cardan you joined?
Yeah, big old cardan. Yeah, it's kind of dark in the
And
camera.
look at these washers, how they have to balance it.
Yeah, it's so short. Man, oh man, oh man. Okay.
It's a huge piece.
Yeah.
And like, if you wanted to put exhaust here, which I wanted to do, because I wanted to drive it like a normal person.
Yeah.
Not like Steve. I don't think it would fit anywhere. Like, where did you fit exhaust?
No, you don't. What a lot of guys do is they rebuild the tunnel.
And then the shaft would sit higher.
Yeah, it'd be a ton of work.
Or, yeah, put the exhaust through the car.
But right now, what we need to do is dial the suspension up.
Yeah, lift it up.
And where's the oil leak coming from?
So the leak is coming from...
Oh, right there. Drain plug, maybe?
The weld that is on
Oh, yeah.
on the return.
That's easy to fix.
Return.
Okay, that's no problem. All right, let's get dirty. So we need e-brake cable brackets there, bud.
I think so.
There, bud?
Yeah, because now we don't have a e-brake. Oh, yeah, we don't even have the e-brake in the car.
Right, okay. At least the fuel pressure is easy to adjust.
Yeah.
Under the car. Yeah, all right.
Perfect.
This is the hardest working guy in the building right here. What are you doing, big boy? What are you doing? Okay, sir, just big moment of truth. What do you think?
How high it sits.
Let's see. Let's check it out.
High.
Huh?
It's gonna be high.
Well, I want it higher anyways. I just don't want it like a monster truck, you know?
Well, if it's too high, we can just name it the GOAT.
The GOAT?
Yeah.
Well, let's see what happens in a sec here. Well, right now it doesn't look too bad, Surges.
No? Well, go down a little more.
Yeah, let's give it a roll back and forth. You could just back it up and drive it forward a bit. Let's see. Yeah, it's cambered out quite a bit right now, so we'll see what happens. Where's the Civic Master? Civic Master. Hey, Graham.
Yo, what's happening?
What are you doing?
I can feel you.
Come over here and see this. What do you think? How's that stance?
Pretty decent.
I think it's pretty good, hey?
This side has to go up higher. Bit, maybe.
Should make for some good launching.
Yeah. I can't wait to take you for a ride in this and do another YouTube video.
Yeah, you learn on your first mistake.
That was not a mistake. We'll do it again. Can we have a conversation about lunch right now? Let's go get some lunch.
I am hungry.
Okay, let's do that.
Are we taking the CRX?
We're not taking the CRX. There's no plates on it.
Next YouTube video?
Next YouTube video. But we can take the Colorado.
Okay.
All right, so let's do that.
We can take Scuba Steve.
Scuba Steve, yeah.
Scuba Steve.
My buddy Don, you know, from Don's Life channel,
Oh yeah.
calls this place Steve's Scuba Shop.
Oh really?
Yeah, so pretty fun. All right, let's
We've never actually tested any snorkels yet.
No, we haven't. No, we should though. All right, I'll let you move this. I'm gonna put my camera away. Morning, Sturgis.
Good
How
morning.
are you? Just bright and early with a
Great.
camera in your face.
Yeah, exactly.
I had to leave early yesterday because I was at my 4-hour limit as usual.
Yeah.
And tell me what you got done on the CRX while it's gone. I see a
So-
blower motor sitting right there.
Yes, we ordered a blower motor, but we have a Integra sitting in the back.
Oh,
for-
that we're gonna do up and coming.
Yeah, you'll
Okay.
find out soon.
Yeah, okay.
But we found out that the blower motor from an Integra is the same as on CRX, so
So let me ask you this.
put that.
See, I did the My Cousin Vinny there. Let me ask you this.
Ask you.
Ask you this. Why don't we just use park brake calipers off of Integra instead of screwing around with everything
Funny you
else?
say that, because we used the e-brake cable brackets from the Integra,
And it worked?
and it worked.
Oh, wow.
And also the e-brake handle bolted in.
No way.
Because we didn't have one.
Are you serious?
We can check it out.
Oh, it's actually got an e-brake handle. Jump in there. Let me see
So
it.
now we got an e-brake handle. I'll show on the other side.
Ugh.
And here we go.
Oh, that's awesome.
And it's a functional e-brake.
That's awesome, hey?
And we bought new e-brake cables, I guess.
Yeah.
We had in there.
Yeah.
And
All right.
yeah, all the clips, all the brackets work from the Integra, which is kind of,
Well, all right.
that's what Honda does, I guess.
Yeah. Now, I have a question. We went through all the work of mounting this ECU, and now I see it laying on the floor here.
Yeah.
So what's going on
Well, you have to remove the whole box here to get the blower motor in.
there? Oh, the blower motor. Okay.
Yes. And then once we put the blower motor in, we found out that the resistor was bad.
Oh,
And it didn't work on speed number 1. But now it works
Okay.
on all speeds.
Awesome.
I think it's hooked up. This one.
yeah, I can hear it.
And there's lots of leaves in there too.
Yo, like race car with a defroster.
We got everything.
that sick or what?
Like even we checked the rear defroster. It works.
Yeah, you know what it doesn't have? Stereo. We're gonna need one.
It doesn't. Actually it does, but it's not the greatest.
Now it's garbage. All right, cool, man.
And yeah, so we have left is like, we need to find a switch for the sunroof
Right.
because it's bad. And alignment.
Yeah, I see you.
radio.
I do see you have the suspension dialed nicely. Actually, the back we could probably do something with a little bit, but it
Yes.
looks good.
So I wanted to get the back lower
Yeah,
so it sits more evenly.
it's not far off, but it does have a bit of a rake right now.
Yes. Kind of looks funny off. But
Yeah. All right. Cool. Well, you know what this calls for?
what is that? What is that?
You know what it calls for?
What is it?
Montage.
Let's do it.
All right. Now this video is about the car shooting fire, and we haven't got
Is
there
it?
yet. Yeah.
Oh.
When are we shooting fire?
I don't know. This I think tuning time.
Okay, I'm gonna get Nick on the phone right now, and then we'll get this tuned.
Get her done.
All right, buddy. Next up, before we get too carried away with shooting fire, I guess we should get a wheel alignment done on this thing. So we'll get the alignment done and get Serge on that because he's the alignment king. And then, and only then, we shoot fire. Sergius, what are you drinking there?
Protein.
Protein.
Yeah.
Are you a protein kind of guy?
I gotta gain some fat somehow.
You're not gonna gain fat from protein, my friend.
I'm drinking bananas.
What you gotta do is get some gainer shake, and you're in luck because I have a bunch at home. So anyway, I was just saying we're gonna get the alignment done on this thing before we start shooting fire, and then we'll get into the fire biz.
Yeah, we do need alignment for a fire.
I want bonfires sticking out of this thing.
Roasting marshmallows,
yeah,
kind of thing.
Yes. You're saying you're telling me you got the interior all dialed up?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, Sergius.
There's no ECU running.
Did you ever get the interior cleaned up?
Everything works.
Yeah.
E-brake works. The fan works.
Where did that center console come from?
That's a stock center console.
Oh, is it? I don't remember it being in here.
And all the gauges work.
Nice.
Everything works. All the buttons work too, which is
except for the sunroof.
Except for the sunroof. Yeah.
Very nice, Sergius. Okay, let's get the alignment done, buddy. Oh yeah, Serge. Is Nick walking you through it?
Yeah. So we got we are hooked up here.
So we've got Serge being captain of the ship here because I want to put this on here, and I'm doing it live on TikTok at the same time. So we're doing this.
413. Yep. 918.
So now we've got Nick taking over. He's controlling the computer down there.
The wizard.
The wizard. Hey, what's going on there, Clark? Oh my guy. What? Look at this. What's going on here?
That's some frogs for you.
I love it.
Specific request.
Yep. We're just about to make some noise over here. You want to hear some noise?
Absolutely.
You're a Honda guy. So we've got Nick from Tuning by Nick on the phone, and he's controlling the laptop right now. And
nice.
Yeah. Hey Sergius, Kevin was nice enough. He brought you a coffee.
Oh geez, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Let's let's throw over here. How loud do you think the two-step will be? What? Hey Graham, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
I need you to cut those and make them straight.
And make them straight?
Would you mind?
Yeah.
And make them straight. You got her? Oh, there we go. Can you make those straight too for me?
Okay.
Do you know how to do that?
I'll figure it out.
I mean, just use its hand would have been easier, eh? I don't know.
Graham's good at making things straight.
Yeah.
Depends on how straight you want it, I guess.
Well, it doesn't have to be super straight. I just have the vision.
You have a vision?
Yeah.
And me getting whipped in the face with
Yeah, it's gonna be good. Attaboy G, thank you.
There.
I'm gonna need your help in a bit, so I'll just come back and get you.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Sounds
I'm ready, yeah.
yeah.
Oh my God. I think it's getting louder. It's always important to have snacks. Hey, remember when you asked what the sticks are for?
Yeah.
There you go.
I get it now.
You have to open it. I wouldn't recommend eating that after, but
I'm going to.
you gonna?
I'll put it in my mouth.
Do it.
I won't.
It's lunchtime!
all over.
Kevin, you're looking pretty toasty there, buddy.
Only way to do it.
Are you doing it? Oh. Oh my God. Well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Do all the good stuff. Like, subscribe, share the video. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.